Hi. So you're watching this video so that you can make new friends, build a social life, and get rid of any loneliness you may feel. Everyone needs social connections, meaningful relationships, and emotional support. And having close and true friendships is a critical part of this. You would have watched part 1 of this series to get into the right perspective and mindset to make new friends. So here we are, moving on to part 2 to help you make new friends and build a strong social network. I'm Dan B, and I'm the founder of what is now one of the world's largest real-life social networks. We have over 200 social groups in 32 cities, from Sydney to Singapore, London to Luxembourg, and Dubai to Zurich, with over 1 million members. We have organized over 3,000 social events over the last 6 years, and over 50,000 members have attended in real life. They've met new people, connected with them, and with our help and support, transformed their social and love lives. I have personally hosted, interacted, watched, and interviewed many of our most socially successful members and have deep insights on what makes it work for them. Here are my thoughts based on their inputs and also from my own lifetime of advising, consulting, and coaching around the world. All right, so the first step in making new friends is to find the type of people you would like to befriend. Surprisingly, many people don't know how to find these potential friend candidates. Here are some ideas. If you're from the area and have lived here long enough, then the first thing to do is to consider whether any of your existing contacts or acquaintances can become more meaningful friends. Additionally, you could consider work colleagues, friends of friends, or long-lost friends such as old school and college mates. If, however, you're new in the area, a newcomer to the city, have just come out of a relationship, or just changed jobs, then you don't have those seeds of a new social life. The way to address this now is then through meeting new people. Here is what you need to do before you proceed in that direction. Number 1, you will have to push yourself to meet new people and make conscious changes in your mindset and routine. You have to shake yourself up and get out. You have to maybe add some more hobbies, activities, and events to your life to expose yourself to more potential friends. Secondly, finding new friends is very much the 80-20 effort rule. You may find that there are a lot of things that you have to do before you know what works best for you. You may have to go to many meetups, events, or classes which may end up completely useless for you. And then you might meet a whole bunch of perfect friends at the very next one. So there is this high element of risk there. But the harder you try and the more chances you give yourself, the luckier you will get. Definitely don't attend just the one meetup or one attend and decide that they don't work for you. Attend a minimum of 3 to 6 meetups before you decide. Thirdly, remember to choose the kind of events where you give yourself the maximum chance of meeting new people, talking to them and getting to know them. For example, if you go watch a movie or go to a noisy nightclub meetup, then there is very little chance to talk and you will not be able to make new friends. Don't attend a meetup for 18 to 35-year-olds if you're 50. Don't attend a 40 to 60-year-old meetup if you're 20. You will not fit in. And you will not have the same mindset, history, experiences, aspirations, or even the language of these people. So choose the right age group. Then choose the formats where you're in a quiet venue where you can actually talk, look into each other's eyes, see people's smile and body language. Choose formats such as speed friending or dating where you're almost forced to talk to a lot of people. That's the kind of format which is likely to deliver the greatest impact for you. So accept every party invitation and attend every suitable meetup. When you're at such a suitable venue or forum, then you need to strike a conversation and get started in building a relationship. Honestly, you will not hit it off with everyone you meet and chat with. But if the forum is right, it's very likely you'll at least meet the 1 or 2 or the 3 people with whom you'll get along. Maybe you'll connect with them right away, or maybe it'll be a slow process of getting to know them over the few weeks. But either ways, you have to start. And you have to start investing in the relationship by making hangout and meeting plans with them. This is the next important step and one where many people get stuck. So watch out for the next video in this series which will give you specific steps to successfully make new friends. So this is Dan B signing off. Please feel free to contact me if you have any comments or questions. Please attend our meetup events around the world where you'll make thousands of others such as yourself and make new friends. Please attend Make the investment in yourself to transform your social life. Watch all these videos so that you have the knowledge, insight, and feedback from our years of experience and study, which will help you develop yourself with skills, techniques, and behavior, which will transform your life. Send this to other friends of yours who might also benefit. Anyway, here's wishing you happy watching and developing. This is Dan B. Bye until next week. Bye.